What's up foodies? Today we are taking a boring carrot soup and transforming it into something extraordinary. Let's get started. First thing first, peel and chop your carrots. Don't worry about being too precise, it's all getting blended later. Now, you could just toss all ingredients into a pot, boil it and blend it. That's what most people do, and it's fine. But let's be real, that's a boring soup, and we are going for a soup that wows. So, I'm going to share a few tips that will take your soup to the next level. Here's the first tip. Instead of boiling the carrots, we are going to roast them. And we are not stopping here. We're also roasting our garlic too. Don't like garlic? You can skip it. But trust me, roasted garlic is a game changer. Place the chopped carrots and 3 to 5 unpeeled garlic cloves into a bowl. Leaving the garlic unpeeled prevents it from burning. Spread the carrots and garlic on a baking tray. Roast them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 200 degrees Celsius, for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until golden brown and caramelized. While the carrots and the garlic are doing their magic in the oven, let's get started on the base of our soup. Chop 1 large onion, heat a few tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Here is where most recipes will tell you to cook the onion for a couple of minutes and move on. But no today. We are going to caramelize the onion and release its natural sweetness. Remember, caramelization is flavor. Cook the onions for at least 6 to 8 minutes, stirring frequently until they are soft and golden. And now for the second star of the show. The ginger. First, let's peel it. The best way to peel a ginger, believe it or not, is with a spoon. Then, grate the ginger directly into the pot. I love the smell of fresh ginger. How much ginger to add? Well, that's up to you. If you are a ginger fan, go big. I'd say start with 1 tablespoon and go up to 2 or even 3 tablespoons if you are feeling bold. I personally use 2 tablespoons. Cook the ginger for about 2 minutes, stirring it so it releases all the aromatic goodness. Now it's time to bring all the flavors together. Add your roasted carrots to the pot and peel the roasted garlic cloves out of their skins right into the pot. See this color? This is what brings all the flavor. Pour in vegetable broth, you also can use water, then season with salt, black pepper and your choice of spices. Now let's talk about spices. You can be as creative as you like here. I like to add cumin and turmeric, which always pairs well with carrots, and a nice pinch of cinnamon. You can also add paprika, thyme, rosemary or even bay leaves. Bring everything to a boil over high heat, cover and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Smells so good. Turn off the heat and grab your blender. It's showtime. Use an immersion blender or transfer the soup to a high-speed blender and blend until silky smooth. Now place it back on heat, check the seasoning and adjust as needed. Just a little bit more salt. At this stage many recipes will tell you to add cream. While you can do it, I prefer to keep my soup healthy and delicious. It's going to be creamy anyway, but if you insist, just add 1 cup of heavy cream, half and half, or coconut cream for a vegan version. Now is also the time to check the consistency of the soup. If it's to your liking, leave it as is. If you prefer a thinner soup, add 1 or 2 cups of water or vegetable broth and cook it for about 5 minutes. I like my soup nice and thick, so I will leave it just the way it is. And that's it. Your soup is ready. Transfer the soup to a bowl and sprinkle with some croutons and caramelized onions for extra crunch. Serve it warm and enjoy this cozy, flavorful goodness. Let's taste it. Feels so fresh, so good, super delicious.